guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am in Panama City Beach, but specifically right now, I'm on a pier. But in today's video, I will not teach you guys about beach vocabulary. No, I will teach all of you guys different abbreviations and acronyms in English. Before teaching you guys some English acronyms, let's first start off with what is an acronym? An acronym is an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of a group of words. For example, FOMO is an acronym, and that stands for fear of missing out. And when you pronounce FOMO, you pronounce it as a word itself. And BTW, by the way, why do Americans use abbreviations or acronyms in English? Well, a lot of people use acronyms or abbreviations in text messages because abbreviations will shorten down words or phrases and it'll make texting a lot easier. And in today's video, I will go to the beach and interview some people and see if they know some of the most common acronyms or abbreviations in English. Come along with me. Now I'm finally on the beach and I'm gonna ask some people if they know some of the most common acronyms in English. Hi, what is your name?
Becca.
Hey Becca, so the first abbreviation is OMW.
OMW. On my way.
Yeah, that stands for on my way. And how would you use that in a text message?
I'm on my way to your house.
Sometimes this abbreviation is often used when you're not really on the way or if you're running late. For example, if someone asks you, "Where are you?" you can say, "On my way, see you in 10 minutes." But in reality, you're getting ready. TTYL.
TTYL. Talk to you later.
That stands for talk to you later. And then how would you also use that in a text message?
I'll talk to you later. I have to go do something.
TTYL is used if you want to end a conversation with someone on social media. For example, if you want to end a message with someone, you can say, "I'm busy right now. Talk to you later." And now your friend won't bother you until you text them back. TYSM.
Thank you so much.
Yes, that stands for thank you so much. And how would you use that in a text message?
Thank you so much for the gift.
TYSM is used when someone is going to express his or her gratitude. For example, your roommate is cooking dinner for both of you, and you reply, "Thank you so much, I'll do the dishes." Hi, what is your name?
Alexander Stoyanovich,
Hey Alexander, what does this abbreviation mean, AKA?
as known as.
That stands for also known as, and how would you use that in a sentence?
Also known as Alexander Stoyanovich.
AKA is used to refer to someone or something by another name, often a nickname. Do you know her? Yeah, that's Ariana, also known as Arianita la Gringa. And then the next abbreviation is DIY.
DIY, I don't know. I don't know.
That stands for do it yourself.
Oh,
DIY is where you can make things for your home yourself instead of paying someone to do it for you. For example, I am building a bed frame. I just finished my first DIY project. What does DM mean?
slide into my DMs.
That stands for direct message. DM refers to the private messaging option on apps like Twitter and Instagram. For example, I sent you a DM on Instagram. Hi, what is your name?
Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. What does this abbreviation mean? NVM.
Never mind.
That stands for never mind. And how would you use that in a text message?
Never mind, I don't want to hang out.
Here's another way to use NVM in a text. If you lose your car keys and then find them, you can say, "Never mind, I found them." What does this abbreviation mean? YOLO.
I honestly have no idea.
You only live once, YOLO.
Oh, wow.
YOLO means to live life to the fullest. It can encourage people to do things they normally wouldn't do, like skydiving or bungee jumping. For example, I just went skydiving. YOLO. Hi, what is your name?
Roman.
Okay, so the first abbreviation is OMG.
Oh my God.
That stands for oh my God. And how would you use that in a text message?
Like if someone said something crazy.
OMG is used when someone is surprised or excited about something. For example, "Oh my God, I just saw Justin Bieber." JK.
Just kidding.
That stands for just kidding. And then how would you use that in an example?
If I made a joke about someone that was mean, I'd just say just kidding.
JK means that what you just said was a joke and shouldn't be taken seriously. If you told your friend a joke like, I'm dating your mom, you should probably send another message like, just kidding, dude, chill out, it was only a joke. That way they won't get mad at you. Hi, what is your name?
Joria.
What does this abbreviation mean? BRB.
Be right back.
And how would you use that in a text message?
If I'm leaving, be like, be right back.
You can use BRB when you have to leave for a short period of time. For example, I need to grab a drink. Be right back. What does FAQ mean?
FAQ?
Yeah.
I've never heard of that one. Fuck a.
That stands for frequently asked questions. FAQ.
Yeah.
FAQ is where you can find a list of questions and answers about a particular subject on a website. For example, if you're talking to a company, they might say, if you have any problems, check out the frequently asked questions on our website. Hi, what is your name?
Isabella.
Hi, Isabella. So the first abbreviation is RN.
That's for right now.
Yeah, that stands for right now. And how would you use that in a text message?
I'm at the beach for right now.
RN is used to talk about the present moment. For example, do you want to walk down to the pool right now? GF.
Girlfriend?
That stands for girlfriend. People might use GF when talking about their girlfriends, whether they are dating them or just have female friends. For example, when do I get to meet your girlfriend? Or you can say, I'm getting the girlfriends together for a shopping trip. And BF?
Boyfriend.
That stands for boyfriend. And how would you use that in a text message?
I'm on the way to see my boyfriend.
A BF is a male romantic partner. For example, I have been with my boyfriend for 3 years. And the last one is WBU.
What about you?
That stands for what about you? And how would you use that in a sentence?
I'm going to the birthday party. What about you?
I'm going to the birthday party. WBU. What about you? WBU is generally asked as part of a response to a question received, such as how are you or what are you doing? For example, if someone asks how are you, you can say I'm good. What about you? Hi, what is your name?
Sophia Stoyanovich.
What does BTS mean?
Behind the scenes.
That stands for behind the scenes. BTS is a term for parts of a show or production that the public can't see. For example, I can't believe I'm gonna get a behind the scenes tour of the theater. What does GTG mean?
Gotta go.
That stands for got to go. And how would you use that in a message?
If I'm just saying, like, just gotta go.
You can use GTG to say goodbye or to quickly log off a messaging app when you're busy. For example, I have to eat dinner. Gotta go. TF. Hi, what is your name?
My name's Molly.
Hi, Molly. What does this abbreviation mean? HMU.
Hit me up.
That stands for hit me up. And how would you use that in an example?
My Snapchat's this. Hit me up.
HMU simply means contact me or call me. For example, if you want to go downtown later, hit me up. What does IDK mean?
I don't know.
That stands for I don't know. And how would you use that in a text message?
IDK, what you talking about?
If you don't know the answer to a question or are confused, you can say IDK. For example, I don't know when I'll arrive. What is your name?
My name's Ben.
Okay, so the first abbreviation is FYI.
For your information.
FYI tells people that something is important or significant. For example, for your information, the dinner was moved to 7:30. LMK.
Let me know.
And how would you use that in a text message?
So say you're making plans with somebody and they're like, okay, let me ask my parents. Then you would say, let me know, or LMK.
LMK shows that you are expecting confirmation or more information. For example, let me know when you want to go shopping. Hi, what is your name?
Elijah.
LOL.
Laugh out loud. If your friend sends you something funny, you can just say LOL.
Like a meme?
Yeah.
Most people use LOL when they find something funny. For example, my cat is chasing his tail. Laugh out loud. Hi, what is your name?
Nicholas Stoyanovich.
Hi, Nicholas. What does this abbreviation mean? TBH.
To be honest,
That stands for to be honest. And how would you use that in a text message?
I like tall blonde girls.
You can use TBH when you are giving your opinion about something. For example, to be honest, I don't like scary movies. What does BTW mean?
By the way,
That stands for by the way. And how would you use that in a text message?
By the way, you're kind of cute.
BTW can be used to add a new idea into a conversation or to bring something up. For example, oh, by the way, we're out of milk. NGL.
Not gonna lie.
That stands for not gonna lie. And how would you use that in a message?
Not gonna lie, you're kind of cute.
NGL means to say something honestly. For example, not gonna lie, the test was difficult. Virtual private network. Okay, everybody, that's all for today's video. Let me know down below if you guys use acronyms or abbreviations in your day-to-day lives. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!